In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So to enter a secret code, you need to open Phone Dialer, go to keypad, and let's start with the first code, which is *##, 4636, #*#. And here we've got the testing panel where you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. So under phone information, you've got all phone details like current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, also email number, phone number, and so on. This panel allows you to run a ping test. Just click on it to open. As you can see, in my case it failed, and this is it. Then you can go back. Under user statistics, you can detect all your apps, so you can check the last time used and also the whole usage time. So let me go back again. And then under Wi-Fi information, you can reach Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. Under Wi-Fi APA, you've got disable network, disconnected network, enable network, configure networks, and the whole connection info. Under Wi-Fi configuration, you've got all currently configured networks. And then in Wi-Fi status, let me just refresh it, you've got the current status of your network. So this is it. Let me go back. Another code that you can use on this phone is *##, and 225, #*#. And here we've got the calendar info. So all event celebrations from each of your calendars would be included in this one place. So from now on, you don't have to worry that you will skip some important event, that you will forget about it, because it will all be listed here. So that would be all. Let me go back. Another code that you can enter here is *##, 426, #*#. And here you've got the FCM diagnostics, where you can check events and also status. And whenever you would like to gain some further knowledge, tap on more icon, click on advanced view, and you can explore your device a bit more. So this is it. And now let me go back. And the last code that I would like to share with you is *#06#. And here you've got email number. So this one will provide you with unique number assigned to your phone. So this is it. This is how you can use secret codes in your phone and your OnePlus Nord. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.